Hi, my name is Ali Hart, and whenever I had applied for the PGCE, whenever I was doing my degree, I was already teaching art workshops in an informal environment with young people with learning disabilities, and I was working for the Arts Council. I couldn't believe that I didn't get on. I thought that was kind of it. I was like, this is it, I shouldn't be teaching anymore. And then I went on to do my master's. I had my children and I thought, right, I need to be doing more. So I'd actually been a photographer because I thought that was the only way I could reach people. But eventually I started to run more workshops in person with people in my own format, in the way that I learned to paint, in the way that I paint, in the colour theory that I do. And that has grown remarkably, and especially during COVID, it's now grown to online. We provide you with the materials, and then I provide you with the space to improve your mental well-being, the mixing of colour, the lead without judgment from myself, and just the space of 1.5 hours of being able to enjoy paint and to create a product at the end. And I feel like my practice is enriched in my own way because I get to teach people and to lead people. So if that's something you want to do for yourself, you can join me at my workshops, my live workshops. You can join me in the pre-recorded ones. Or if you're a corporate company and you want us to help with your well-being events, then please get in touch, because the feedback is that people, yes, we're on Zoom all the time. Yes, we are with technology all the time, but with the products that I give you, with the physical paintbrush and the paint and the mixing, I can take you outside of the technological side of everything to provide your staff and to help you just to get to know yourself a little bit better through paint. And please let me teach you something that is different and my teaching style, which is unique.